Hey peoples, it's Chucky here bringing another unboxing video of my Primaris firestrike survey turret. I do have 3 of these. I'm planning on building one as the bolters, one as the las cannon, and I've always envisioned of using this. Give me like a firestrike plasma turret. See how it go. Let's have a look at this actual model kit. We have the instructions, the decals that you have a look at, raptor symbol salamanders. Does anyone actually use these and want them? Might be able to work out a deal. This is a 1 sprue model for turret 2 little half sprues. We got our base and a 2020 sprue. Control panel. He got a hole in the booty. That's the head. That's the sprue. Let's have a look at these instructions. Does that remind anyone something like a pogo stick? What? Give up. Down it. This may require some trimming to fit into there. Here we go. Without trimming the base of that, once I trim those knobs off, it should glue in there reasonably well. How far out are these? Like all the rows and stuff. Do I have to cut those little bits off the las guns? Just to plug them in? Yeah, but there. Terra Diary, Dreadnought plasma cannons. Stay tuned for that guy and some of the stuff in there. As you can see there, I did sort of trim some of that away, and I just like shoved it into there with some super glue, and I did trim them off the last cannons just because I thought it would look better. And it is hard to see, but I did put the las cannon cells in there, so at least accurate a fuel source. Stay tuned for that guy. Yeah. And I do like the how it's not overly mirrored. Cling not like a proper like bathroom mirror. That kind of reflectiveness it'll just be too much. I've unplugged this, softened through it by hand. Here I'm him at my remaking the next ones are the bugs. Or maybe like a catamaran. I'm just thinking how to look with this lens attachment. Is me the thing that's getting me at the moment. Do I just cut that off? Or do I... No, leaving this with a different helmet on there. If it's a cat, I don't think it'll line up. Still need to learn how to do a glow effect. So it's pretty easy to build and paint in a day. One was time was waiting for the spray paint to dry. Taking out the tablet. Gonna take out the tablet. Leave a comment down of what you think of that. The conversion work I found is pretty basic. Or how would you change them up to have more than the same thing in your army? And if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch us in the next one.